This is Grey Gum Cafe. It's halfway down Putty Road, in the middle of practically nowhere in the bushland, and it's a great cafe. It's where pretty much all motorcyclists stop if you're going past here, and there's a little shack you can hire for about $100 a night. I've stayed here before, had a beautiful night, and it's just a really nice place to be, and to make a decent hamburger. I've just come across this spot on the way to Tamworth. It's chiefly Dam. There's a camping ground here. You can park here for $5 a day for a maximum of 7 days. I'm not camping on this trip, but spending a week here actually seems pretty attractive. Sun's getting a bit low. I can't hang out here too long. I'm going to explore a little bit more and see what I can find before I go. two dishes from the solar array here, I think it's called, or the radio telescope array. The other three, one there and the other two a long way in the distance, all on railway tracks. And this whole place is full of little radio detecting tools just scattered around. When I was in Houston in Texas, which is where they ran the moon missions and the space shuttle missions, a bicycle company, I think if I remember right, donated 100 or 200 or a great deal of bicycles so that the astronomers could travel around from place to place in the Houston Space Center. And interesting to note here that they're doing the same thing. They've all got bicycles, and well, not all of them, but some of them have bicycles and they ride around as well, although they're not the ones from the 1960s like they used in Houston. Wish I had more time to spend here.
So I've arrived at Mount Warning for a couple of days to do some work nearby here, teaching data analysis and organisation skills with Outlook. The bike's got a bit of a wobble in the front wheel between 50 and 80 kilometres an hour, which I suspect is the tyre or maybe some sort of alignment issue, although it could be a few things. So I'm dropping it off to a mechanic for a few days to see if he can work out what the problem is while I'm off doing that work. Thanks for watching, and tune in a couple of weeks' time when I've got the next step, which is going from Brisbane up to Darwin.